Hi everybody, this is Bonnie from bonniescreativeplace.stampinup.net, and I am doing card 1 of our online workshop video for Autumn Goodness for the month of October to 2020. And I just wanted to let you girls know that already did this prep video beforehand. So there was a prep video that I give you guys, and you guys should have already done your prep work, and now I'm just showing you how to put the card together. So let's get started. I'm going to zoom you out. Oh, wrong way. Okay. So for card 1, I'm going to show you what you should have gotten in your kit and what you should have done already. You should have already, from the paper that I sent you, you should have already stamped, colored, and cut these out. So you needed a pumpkin one, and the black stays on, and some corn stalks, and the black stays on. This is the card. This is what the card is going to look like. And the supplies that you will need are you're going to get the pretty peacock for the base. You will get some of the designer series paper. This is the plaid designer series paper. You'll get another piece of pretty peacock, and you will also get a piece of whisper white. And then you will have a scrap piece of paper for the greeting. All the measurements and dimensionals for these are in the print off that I mail you guys. So let's get started and put this together. Okay, so for the whisper white, we do have to do a little work for it. So we're going to put this down, and we're going to take a Balmy Blue sponge and a crumb cake sponge. You'll need the Balmy Blue ink and your crumb cake ink. So we're going to take the sponge, and we're just going to lightly start off and then go on to your page. I find that is the easiest way so that you don't get these little blotches in your card. Okay, and then we'll put this piece aside, and we'll get out the crumb cake. Okay. These cards should go together pretty quickly because you guys did all the pre-prep, which was mostly coloring and stuff beforehand. So now we can start assembling the card. Oh, I knew that was going to run out. It was just a matter of time. Guess I didn't prime it enough. There we go. Okay, then we're going to add our little pieces. And then this one I popped up on Stampin' Dimensionals. You're going to need some regular and some mini for this card. I put that right there, and then I also popped this up off from the page. We'll put this down in the center. I just love these colors together, and the plaid is so pretty. Now we're going to get out our greeting, and that's in the Autumn Goodness, and we're going to use Plant Kindness, Harvest Love. So we're going to get that out. Put it on a clear block. And then we're going to get Pretty Peacock. And I'm just going to stamp it. It doesn't look like I got the bottom of that. There we go. I'm just going to stamp it right down there. Give it a second to dry, so I'll close this up. Put it away. And then I'll get out some scissors as I'm throwing stuff around here. And we're just going to cut this. I like to do this a lot. I don't know. You guys are probably, especially if you're having a tough time trying to put one someplace, or the angle you want it to go in. Just have fun with it. You don't have to do this. You could just stamp it and leave it however you want. But this is what I like to do, and I think it gives it a little bit of a character. And it usually fits where I want it to fit. I'm just going to cut this down straight across. There we go. And then I just put a little bit of snail. And I'm going to put this right here on the card. And there we go. This is card 1. And if you like this card, give me the thumbs up. There's a little pink square over in the right hand corner. If you would click that, subscribe, share, that would be great. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Bye-bye.